Bargain. I thought it was a bargain, but when I got home, it didn't work.
Brand. We sell all the well-known brands in CCTV. Designed to last. Panasonic products are designed to last.
Discounted price. The supermarket often sells products at discounted prices.
Faulty. Over 20% of the headphones are faulty.
Full price. They charged full price for the trip.
High standard of service. It's a popular hotel with a high standard of service.
Improve its business. If this restaurant made bigger portions, it could improve its business.
Last a long time. Brand names usually last a long time.
Overpriced. I don't care which brand I buy, but it mustn't be overpriced.
Poor service. The restaurant is terrible and it has really poor service.
Quality Control Department. Our Quality Control Department has found problems with the headphones. Quality issues. As a customer, I am very aware of quality issues.
Reliable. The train is always late, but the coach is more reliable. Technical specifications. They have better picture quality and better technical specifications.
Upmarket. This supermarket wants to go upmarket.
Value for money. The shoes I bought were good value for money.
Well made. I'm looking for a good quality, well-made pair of shoes.
Appointment. Attend an interview. Give a presentation. Look round. Meet clients or colleagues. Negotiate a contract. Promote products. Security pass. Sign in.